with the chicken, Velvet. Just the chicken right now. I'm gonna bring it to the bully rooster to see what will be his reaction. Then I'm gonna test it to some of these roosters. Like I'll put in somewhere to see what will happen to them. Wanna go, Velvet? Okay, just gonna go with it. Hurry this up. Got Velvet here like a baby. It's gonna rain. Did she pooped on me? So then it look like she did. Let's go. Alright. And she's touching me with her disgusting paws. You Velvet. Yeah, it's raining a little bit. Not that much, just drops. Soon it's gonna rain a lot. Right now I'm just gonna him. But it's one of my favorite roosters from my neighbors. Look at him. Look what color he is. Just full, yeah. There he is. The bully of them all. The big one. The chunky one. This one right here. He's the one. How did she escape? Yeah. There he is. Right now, I'm gonna feed him to Velvet and see what here it is. What's happening?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's go, Velvet. Let's go. Let's go, Velvet. Let's go. You got the chicken. Okay, drop her. Drop her. Okay. Oh, here it is. He's gonna do the face. Right now, here's Velvet. Is he gonna do the face or not? Oh, he doesn't know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh wait, he's doing face to face right now. To Velvet. I think it's gonna be a little close. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. It's doing the thing. See? That's what it does. But I don't want to do it on the camera. Why would I do it to my sweet and delicious and cute Velvet? Right now, I'm gonna play a volleyball with my cousins, and then that's all. It's gonna rain soon. I don't know. Wanna stay here, Velvet? Wanna stay here? Okay, I guess I could just make her stay here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna bring her back over there, and then I'm gonna play volleyball. So see you guys later in a few hours or moments because it's gonna rain. It did not rain that much. It just rained a little bit, and that's all. Right now I just already gave my watermelon to my friends, and that's all. No, I already just gave my watermelon to my chickens. These ones. No, these are not my ones. Some watermelons. Then after we just played volleyball, we instead went to play Uno. My cousin that sleeps with me in the same room. Just obliterated my cousin, my other one. She placed a card to take another deck, but then she had no cards, so she took another deck and then she just lost. That's epic, bruh. What is that? Oh my goodness! You guys take a lot of space. Is that the cutie I see? Too hot outside for these chickens. Well, where's the guy? There he is. He's not a bully or another. He just like beating up my chickens. That's all. This guy is the coolest chicken, like calmest. Right now, I just came here to check why. Nah, never mind. I'm not gonna bring no more roosters here. Too much for them. Too much, just too much. He loves beating people. I mean, he loves beating their chickens. Yeah. I don't know where he's at right now. Just surprised that a 10-year-old just defeated an almost 12-year-old. That's some insane mind IQ. She has what? -1 million IQ. Congratulations. You dumb AF. Well, it's just a chicken. It was just him. Yeah. So, I want to go fishing again. I mostly wanted to go to church, but we didn't. Since my dad overslept at 12 and 10. But it's okay, everybody sleeps. I mean, not yesterday, I slept at 12 while I was playing Beach Boogie or watching YouTube. See you guys in the next video. Boy. Bye. Right now, I'm gonna just check. Now I'm back. Yeah. There they are. Probably soon in the future, we're gonna add gates right there so these guys could leave. There's Pablo. He's a cutie. Where's Velvet? I just got and she escaped from my hands. Oh, there she is. I think so. Way too hot outside. See you guys in the next video. Wow, Spot is just